little learners. Today we're going on a fun trip around the world. Let's learn about different people and their nationalities. Are you ready? Let's start our journey together. American, Indian, Japanese, British, Spanish, German, Turkish, Russian, Mexican, Canadian, Vietnamese, French, Italian, Greek, Scottish, Chinese, Romanian, Argentinian, Indonesian, Lithuanian, Kenyan, Polish, Portuguese, Egyptian, Croatian. Great job, little learners. You did amazing today. Thank you for learning nationalities with me. Don't forget to practice and say along with me again next time. See you soon. Bye-bye.